What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and in today's ukulele tutorial video, we're going to learn how to play Ghost by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. This song uses 4 chords, and those chords are B minor, G, D, and A. So if you're like, Ricky, I know those 4 chords, let's move on to the chord progression, strumming, or the mini play along at the end of this video. I'll leave timestamps down below in the description box where you can go skip ahead to each section that you want to learn from. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me, I don't know those chords. We're going to talk about where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord coming right up. Also, what I do want to quickly note is that the full ukulele play-along video for the song is already live on the channel. Make sure to check the links in the description box below, also in the top of the comments. That video consists of the full lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, so it's a super easy play-along for you after you watch this tutorial video. So let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song coming up next. Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret. So it's going to look like this. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 4th fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. There you have it. Alright, so those are all 4 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, now let's go ahead and talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. As always, the chord progression is just going to be the chord structure of the song. So as soon as you memorize that, you'll have the entire structure of the song down. So let's go ahead and talk about the chord progression, which is going to be B minor, then G, then D, and then A. So again, it's going to be B minor, G, D, A, and it's just going to go on a loop, so you're just going to go back and back and back, and again, that is the entire chord progression of this song. So again, it's just going to be B minor, G, D, and then A, and then you just start that back up. All right, so we learned the chords and the chord progression. Now I'll talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play the song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got time for strumming patterns. I just learned the chords. I love the song. I don't want to mess with strumming right now. I got you. So the first way that you're going to play this song is just going to be with an easy strum down. So you're going to strum down with your thumb, all 4 strings. And as soon as you see a new chord, you're just going to strum down again. So it could be like, young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. So you're just going to strum down. So it'll be like, da na 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 da na 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 na. So again, the full play along for the song is going to be live on the channel. You can go ahead and check that out. Again, the chords will be right above the words, so you know exactly when to change chords. So again, you're just going to strum down. And it'll sound absolutely amazing. So the second way that we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern. And that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, up, down, up. So again, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. And you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. And then you can just go on to the next chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to go to D, down, down, up, down, up. And then A, down, down, up, down, up. So if you do that quicker, it's going to sound like this. So again, that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. You're going to do that once for every chord, and then you're going to go to the next chord. And again, that chord progression, B minor, G, D, A. So again, you're just going to follow that structure of the chord progression with the strumming pattern, which is again, down, down, up, down, up. And you're just going to go on repeat, and you have the entire song down. But now that we have the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming down, let's go ahead and package everything together in a mini play along. Again, the full play along will be down, linked in the description down below, so make sure to go check out that video. But let's go ahead and package everything together with the mini play along coming up next. In 3, 2, 1. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. Miss your touch on nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know. So again, that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. You can do that once for every chord, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, the strumming, and also did a mini play along in this ukulele tutorial video. Congratulations, you now know how to play Ghost by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, my analytics show me that over 70% of you that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please double check down below. If the subscribe button is red and it says subscribe, please click it. It will turn gray, and that will mean you're part of the Uke fam and you have joined this awesome channel. We're getting closer and closer to 100,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you would double check. And if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button below and come join the fam. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, let me tell you, this is a tenor size Enya ukulele. It's a solid mahogany uke. This also does come in a concert size, which is a little bit smaller. The thing what I love about Enya ukes are high quality, but they also don't break the bank. They are super affordable. So again, I'll leave links down below for the tenor size, which is this one, and also for the concert size, which is a little bit smaller. So if the smaller is your jam, I'll leave both links to both ukes down below. Also talking about links in the description, links to my merch. If you do want to support this channel is down below. This is the Uke Fam hat. We also do have hoodies, t-shirts, all that good stuff down below, and also the Potato Squad merch. And finally, links to all of my socials will be down below. Everything's just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And also, please leave your song recommendations, future video ideas, requests in the comments down below on the video. Please, I love reading them. I love listening to your song recommendations. Just maybe, the next video might be your video that you requested. So again, leave your comments down below. But that is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.